Hello, my name is Michael Rothmeyer. I work at Replay Systems in Denmark. Today I'll show you our newly developed automatic NFC and RFID test system. In this test setup we are doing a carrier frequency test on an NFC Class 4 tag according to the NFC Forum standard. The test software is installed on the laptop, and this software controls the instruments and also displays the test sequence and each test case if it's passed or failed. You can see that if I remove the tag from the test system, that all the measured spikes disappears from the oscilloscope, and red lines indicating in the test sequence that the test case has failed. This test system automatically tests all test cases defined in the NFC Forum standard and also all test cases defined in the ISO 14443 standard. All necessary system calibration is automated as well. This test setup consists of Rohde and Schwarz instrument, but other instrument configurations are possible. Some of other test cases need a power amplifier on top of these instruments. The test system has been verified by 2 European NFC laboratories. If you'd like to know more about this test system, please go to our homepage. Thank you.